I'm going to show you guys how I take my Instagram pictures by myself. This is really what helped me grow my following, being able to post consistently and not having to rely on people to take my pictures. So I usually go to like rooftops, parking garages, really empty locations that I can just be alone and do what I gotta do. So what I do is I set up my phone on a tripod and I use Bluetooth clicker remotes, and they literally take the picture as you press the button. So I take like a couple hundred pictures and I'd be so happy about it. I like to bring 2 to 3 different outfits and go to different locations. This is called batch taking content, and in doing this, you literally get so many pictures that you'll have enough to last you a week, if not 2. And just to put you on a little further, one editing app I use is called Retouch, and this app is so amazing. It literally lets you delete anything out the picture. So although I do take my pictures by myself, the goal is to make it look like somebody else took it. So I like to remove the tripod shadow out the picture, as well as like trash or leaves or anything, just to clean it up. This app is like my savior. I don't know what I'd do without it. Here is the final product. I posted all these pictures on my Instagram if you wanted to see, but if you're struggling to take pictures, this is the way to go. I promise you won't regret it.